Take off my makeup with me. Pride edition. Ooh.
Now that I've worked on this for a couple of hours, we're going to take all of this off. I broke a glass for this. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Bro, this is not coming off. Oh, my eyes are watering. Okay, I just gotta rip it off like a band-aid. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now for this baby. Oh. Now for the eyes. Got it. Ooh. And this one. Got it. Ooh. Also, side note, my tongue has never been this red in my entire life. All from fake blood. Oh, my face burns.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. Let's start with the hook. Well, that was easy. Psych, there's way more than that. That was nice. I literally glued these things on with tape. Yeah. I literally drew them on blue paper as well. Snatch the weave! I am in love with these lashes, but they gotta go. Boop. Take the contacts out too. And now I'm gonna go wash my face. And that is all. Have an amazing day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me. I feel so disgusting. There's blood everywhere. Ah. Ah. It's like blood all over me. Ew. What's that? Oh, it's the blood. Ew. Ew. So my face is clean, but my body is filled with blood and it looks like I've killed someone. So I think I'm going to go take a shower before anyone sees me. But thank you for watching.
Take off my makeup with me, darts edition. Let's get these contacts out. Get these lashes off. This should be fun. Let's try to get out the bottom. Let's Get the neck. Ah! Now I'm gonna start wiping this off. Thanks for watching.
My thoughts when taking off my makeup. Just Paul. Gross. Plop. Plop. This net was really annoying. Yay, this doesn't hurt. Satisfying. Never mind, this hurts. Why didn't I just buy an adhesive remover instead of peeling off my skin? OMG, I've ripped off my brows. False alarm, I forgot I covered them raw. Okay, bye. Removing prosthetic.
Was that disgusting? You loved it. You guys make me want to rip out my hair. Currently. I just don't want to wipe it off. Oh my god. Oh! This is what I do for you guys. It's so thick. There's no saving this ball cap. Oh, it's on so bad it hurts. Oh, yes! It's all up in my hairs. I feel disgusting. Getting a new set of nails from tomorrow.
Makeup removal. I've never made one of these, but I really wanted to make it. Also, I can't see a thing. So first thing I'm gonna do is take out my eye things. Whatever. Ow. I guess I'm just gonna peel this off. Got it. Cute. What do I do with this? First, put my hair up. I look so... Then I'm taking this Dermalogica pre-cleanse. It's like an oil. Then just rub and it'll all start to come off. Then I'm taking makeup wipes. We're getting there. I don't know why my hands are red. And then I'm just going in with a cleanser. I always end up with stuff on my legs. All done. Can someone tell me why it burned me? I used liquid latex. Oh! Makeup.
Take off this Venom makeup look with me.
Oh, well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm pretty happy with this look, and I'm a little bit sad to be taking it off, but I'm tired and it needs to be done, so let's do it. I had to rip this thing off like 5 times for the video already, but I'll do it again, just for you. Because I had to rip it off like a lot of times, there's still like latex on my face. And lead in my teeth. But I'm gonna rip off the smile first. Ow. The reason I'm using tweezers is to not get my hands dirty. Now I'm gonna see if I can rip these parts off. Ooh. Never mind, it's not worth it. I'm just gonna go wash my face. And once again, I am Not terrifying, beautiful, thank you. Okay, I took most of it off. Don't worry, I'm gonna get the ear in the shower. I won't forget it this time. But you guys have an amazing day.
It's time for another makeup removal, and I got a surprise for you guys, so let's get into it. This look only probably took me like 2 hours. Okay. It only took me like 2 hours. It was pretty easy. Oh, not the eye coming off with it. Okay, we got one more eyeball to take off. And by the way, like all the paint and all the wax that I used was from my own palette, so I cannot wait for you guys to check that out. Ooh, that feels really good. I can barely even see, but we're gonna take all of this off. I gotta get a good grip on it. Who's excited for Halloween? Y'all know I'm really excited for Halloween this year. There we go, one. Let's take off the second one. And I know a lot of you guys that has been following me, supporting me for a long time. It's gonna be really excited to see when my palette drop. I cannot wait for you guys to check it out. Who's gonna get it? Who's excited for it? That feel really good. So make sure you hit that follow button so you don't miss another post I'm on or when my palette drops. So stay tuned for that. Love you guys.
Let's take off this makeup. Aray. Oh. Ta-da!